Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website, a faucet website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you this much Litecoin every 0 minute. And first of all, paste your Litecoin wallet address in here and just click login. Solve this to capture. First of all, I solved the recapture, then I solved the capture app in here. Okay, after solving the next capture, just click verify capture and just click the link down below. Just click the sponsor link in here and wait 10 seconds. This link, short links have a 4 part. Okay, this is the part 1. I will just wait 10 seconds. After that, just click next button up in here. Okay, and this will be up in here 50 seconds again, and just I wait for 60 seconds, and this is another 50 seconds. This is not too hard. If you have a much more fast internet connection, you can solve this capture less than 1 minute, and you can claim your free cryptocurrency instantly in your faucetpay. Okay, and this is another 10 seconds, and just click to continue. Okay, and if that doesn't work, just come down and click this one, and this is the last one for 7 seconds. Just wait for 7 seconds and you can easily make your free cryptocurrency from here, and just click get the link, and you can see this website send you your free Satoshi of Litecoin instantly in your faucetpay. I come down to share with you the withdrawal proof, and you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly in my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Bye bye for now.